If I make a YouTube video, I'll edit all this out so people think I'm cool. I've cut myself with the silky saw twice. I've never cut myself with a chainsaw. Basically, once I get the top out, we'll just flop the whole stick. This will be a good training op for you. All right, see how that worked? Now I'll just slowly let it down. Perfect. If I make a YouTube video, I'll edit all this out so people think I'm cool. Just kidding. Because you got the guys who will just make it look so smooth, and it's like, I know you threw like 10 times to get it through there. Dang, man. Well, I'll just get up a little bit higher. All right, so you see what I did? I climbed up here. I got to where I trust my high tie-in, and then I'll take my blue rope, the one that I'm gonna rig a few things with, and I'll put it wherever I think I'm gonna have to rig the top out. All right. Basically, all this is gonna do is just keep it from going crazy. It's gonna come right down over here, but it's gonna keep it from just flopping on the fence or whatever, okay? Here we go. And then you'll just untie it and I'll pull it back up. We'll keep going. I'm gonna take off a couple of these little ones. Headache. Okay, go ahead and just, this will be another one more directional than anything. Perfect. Be diligent if you're using a silky saw, because I've cut myself with the silky saw twice. I've never cut myself with a chainsaw. So I had this one period where I couldn't play my guitar for like 3 months because I cut my finger on my playing hand, my fretboard hand. Headache. And I really like playing the guitar, so it's one of those things where it was a rough 3 months for me. Okay. Basically, once I get the top out, we'll just flop the whole stick. I'll set a pull rope and we'll pull it that way. This is about as high as I want to get it, and I'll just get the rest of it off, and then we'll just flop the whole thing. What I might do is have you, this will be a good training op for you. What I might have you do is just make a cut from down there. I'll show you what I'm planning on doing. All right, go ahead and cut that whole lead off. This one right here. Just cut it from top down. Yep, right there. All right, that's good. All right, see how that worked? Now I'll just slowly let it down. Yep, it'll come off this top, but that's okay because it's resting on a nub down there. But you can just pull it out. You see what I'm saying? And if I need to, I can just come down and zip it off. I got some weight off it, so now I'll just throw it over to you. Ready? There we go. Yeah. Yes, we are, ma'am. Yeah, it's a nice tree. I'm sad to see it go, honestly. That's all it is. It's just an adult playground up here. Thank you. Okay. You might have to throw the bag up through the tree, Josh, because we want our pole line on this side of the tree. Okay, so all you're doing is just pulling it towards you, okay? Not a big pull or anything. Perfect. Untie it from there and toss that back up to me, and I'll tie this off as far as our pole rope towards the fence back. Hitch Climber Pulley setup, great setup, especially for somebody who doesn't want to spend 500 bucks or whatever on a rope runner. The Rope Runner Pro, I think they're probably about 500 bucks. I haven't looked in a long time because I'm anti-purchase right now. Oh yeah, I mean, you want to buy good equipment. So if I was a new climber, I would definitely buy it's called a rope wrench, because the wrench can be configured in both double rope and single rope. So what I was on here is double rope. What I was on at the last job was single rope. That's when I was using my foot ascenders and knee ascenders and all that stuff.